All right, this is To Cry You a Song by Jethro Tull. We're going to have a harmony guitar part. The first part is going to go like this. Okay, so what we have there is D string, 5, 4, 5. Same thing on the A string. And then 101 on the A string. Okay, so we got. And that was that G note there, big 3 to the 1 on the A string. So once we hit that 3, 1, we're going to go 1, 1, 1, 3 to open D. So it's. And then we go 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, so it's. Okay, so we do that 3 times, and then the 4th time we're going to go to an F chord, however you want to do that F chord. So after the 101, we go to an F, and then we go F, C, G, and then 2 Gs. Okay, so it ends with. And then we go. So that was G string 5, 4, 5, and then D string 5, 4, 5. Okay, there's a harmony part that's going to go with all these little single note things, and then we end up after that. Wait a second, we got F, C, and then back to the riff. And we do it twice there, and we're back into another verse. Okay, so on this verse, we're going to have the G. We go to a C chord after that, C power chord. We go 5, 5 from the D to G, so. And then we do quicker 5, 5. So after we go, that's where we have the 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5. And now we're going to add a new part. 3, 5, 5, 5. Down to the C, 3 to the octave 5, that 5 on the D. So, kind of hit the rest of that chord. F, F, C, C. So once again on this verse we got. And then we're back to the main riff. So we do that twice, and then we do part B. Now this time when we get into the F, C, we're going to go. So a series of strums here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so here we have the 5s from a C to the bass note and back. And then the middle strings, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5. So we get that big G note 4 times. So it's octave, and then that's going to go. So it ends up being. And then we're going to repeat that part. And then we have a new part. In the tab it says. Okay, so you could either do that or you go. So a couple ways to do this next riff we got. So that's 10, 8, 7, 8, 7, and then these 12s. There's also some chords that go with that. So it could be D, G, A, G, D, E. But it kind of seems like they might have been kind of overdubbed and stuff, so it kind of gets you to the crux of the biscuit kind of quick there. So it's 3 of those, and then we're back into the riff. Okay, now we're going to talk about the harmony to that riff now. So the 5-4-5, 5-4-5, 1-0-1. The harmony to that is down here in the G. Okay, so we have 3-2-3, 5-4-5, 5-4-5, 1-5, 5-5-2-3 on the D, and then ends with 3-2, 5-4-5 on the A. So it's okay, so that goes like 3 times in the beginning of the song, and it ends with same chords that the other guitar part had. And then here goes the harmony for that next part. Okay, so 4-3-4 on the B, 5-4-5 on the G, and then you got the okay, so that's the harmony part that goes with that. Then we get into a solo section. It's going to go. So that's F to D, 8th to 5th fret on the A string power chords. 3 times. And then D to C. And then we're going to go. So we got G, 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 F. And you wait a little bit and you come down to the C. So C, 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 B flat, B flat, F to G there. So it's we'll do it twice. Okay, then we're into a solo section, kind of like a D minor or D minor 7. Now there's 2 different guitar parts here. We're not going to get into all that, but you can kind of just strum through a D minor, jam in D minor on this. Then we're going to G minor. And eventually come out with the okay, so that's basically all the parts of To Cry You a Song. Just kind of keeps repeating, does more verses and stuff. But these are some great riffs. I want you guys to, this is an interesting tuning. They're way detuned on this. So here's the tuning section for you. In order to play with the record or this lesson, you want to tune up to my strings I got there. It's about -3.7 is where the pitch was, or 0.37 or whatever you call it. So strange tuning, but it's really fun to play with the record on this one. You can try out both guitar parts. It's like 2 lessons in one. So once again, these strings.